Welcome to AuctionExport. This is a video tutorial for real-time bidding, BidGoLive platform. In order to participate, just click Live Auction on the home page. You will get to the menu of the auction sale schedule. Our sales are going from Monday to Friday. We are going to select auction number 547. You can see the run list for lanes of A, B, C, D going for sale. You can select the exact make, model, and year of the vehicle you want to check. Also, you can open the cars page and examine it. Let's join the sale. Here is the sale. Bidding process for sale number 8A, run number 176. Here is your dealer number and your bidding limit, which is based on your deposit. A minimum deposit is $1,000 or 15% from your purchase amount. Description of the car. Please pay attention to the title type. It is important to check before the sale if the documents are right for export out of the United States and import to your destination. The ground transportation price is based on the location and condition of the vehicle. This vehicle is drivable. For a cheaper ground transportation price, it is recommended to buy a car closer to the exit port. You can see upcoming cars. You can check the details of the vehicle by clicking View Details. You can place your bid, let's say $10,000, and click Calculate Price. You will get the breakdown of the expenses including the auction export fee, documentation fee, auction buyer fee, internet fee. You have the total amount of fees you'll have to pay based on this bid amount. Here is the bidding menu. If you see a green button, this means that you can go ahead and bid. If the button becomes yellow, this means that the bidding is about to close. You have to hurry up and place your bid. When you see recording buyer ID, this means that the vehicle is sold and the auction is recording the buyer ID number. In the bidding history, you can see who was bidding on the vehicle. So happy bidding and get started today. Should you have any questions? Visit us at www.auctionexport.com. Email us at help@auctionexport.com. Call us at +1 416 900 3303.